we've just arrived.
We just arrived to Istanbul Airport.
Are you sure it's Sabiha Airport?
Sabiha Airport.
Yeah, it was a good flight.
So
very
we got the
smooth.
whole airport in Istanbul.
Yeah, she owns the airport.
Yeah. A very rich lady. So first was a chartered plane, and now airport.
Because we're gonna get our luggage now.
Yes. Now you're gonna go through immigration now.
Oh, immigration, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have my passport, ma?
Yeah. Got the passport.
But we had a good time in the airplane because we had this chat box here.
Serena. I thought Sabrina. Serena.
Oh,
Serena.
Serena. Serena's nice. Yeah, Serena's
And
just
she
made the
planning
whole
to
trip.
go somewhere. Oh God.
Okay, so hold on.
Go on.
Okay. Okay. Well, should we get the thing and then we'll go back on? We'll meet you in a bit.
Yeah. No one left on the plane. Sare aage hain, aaja. Yeah, she's aage.
Brown jokers.
With a little.
No, she's
Which patli then?
she's a vlogger as well, I think.
Oh, oh yeah.
very
Blush.
Yeah,
I think वो रह गई है.
I think she probably went out first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the airport है इस्तांबुल का काफी बड़ा है.
Guys, way too slow.
Okay, come on. Mama, don't run, please. Hey. Everybody's in a bad condition.
I think we look okay.
She look beautiful. Ooh la la. She's the one who's scared. इसको तो बस दौरे पड़ रहे थे plane में. How was your flight, madam? Amazing. You were sleeping, that's why. Oh, I thought she. Yeah. Wow, Nafi. ये अब इधर खड़ी हो गई है, क्या करे? चलो पूछ के आते हैं. What happened? Nafi. Okay. But there is, it says passport control. No, look, it's passport control. Look. Passport control.
I know, but we haven't.
Oh, the ladies in ladies. The ladies in ladies. Shh, shh, shh. Come on, run. I like it. Allah. Ooh. You want? Do you want a picture? So now here's the strongest one, and she takes all the, and the blush. Blush is the. I call her blush. What's the name? Call you blush. Okay. Everybody go this stuff. Come on, let's go. Let's go, Nafi. सब आगे जा रहे हैं और मैं आप लोगों के लिए रिकॉर्डिंग कर रही हूँ. ये देखिए कितनी अच्छी हूँ मैं. ये इतनी प्यारी ट्री बनी हुई है. मैंने कहा आप लोगों को दिखा दूँ. So these two gentlemen here to collect us, and I think they're gonna be they're gonna take us to the hotel. Our Birmingham group is here. Manchester Heathrow is coming late because their flight are cancelled.
Take a picture altogether.
Nafia? Survey? Study?
Okay, we get one floor down.
Dame? So it's literally really big. I thought Heathrow is big, but this airport is quite big.
For the COVID
So we
test
staying
tomorrow.
in Hilton Hotel.
Okay, now 10 o'clock. Please be everybody ready.
10 o'clock.
Okay.
10 o'clock is our PCR for Dubai. Nafia?
Yes, 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
It is the M2 floor.
Okay,
M2.
write down that now here.
Oh, no, that.
Mustafa 2, okay? M2. Mustafa.
You know, you're supposed to be in our WhatsApp group, added to our. That's what happened. So when our guide is always in our WhatsApp group, wherever we go, and then
Tomorrow
he
maybe. No, because you have the
ask Anisa to add you to WhatsApp group.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. So then you can, give us all the information.
M2 at 10 o'clock, right?
floor,
Yeah.
and it is MR15 meeting room.
MR15 meeting room. We're gonna have our corona test PCR for Dubai. And these girls are crazy, okay? The Birmingham girls are crazy.
MR15 what?
You get it?
MR15, Jamal.
MR15
Meeting room.
Okay, meeting.
This is where you will have
At
your
10
And
a.m.
we're going to the Hilton Hotel now. So tomorrow
Please don't be late there.
Okay, and we're leaving 11.
And the tour is gonna start at 11, inshallah.
11, inshallah.
Okay. When we meet with the others,
Yeah, and we're going to.
and probably you got the information about the breakfast. So
Yeah.
I'm not sure about what it is.
Okay,
because
inshallah,
I
yeah.
have no idea about that. So then tomorrow we probably will be in the same bus, and so you can also pass. Probably they will have the same information
Yeah.
from you too.
Okay.
And tomorrow, Saturday, weekend, so a lot of things are open still, and we're gonna be together.
हम आ गए अपने
Okay,
होटल
getting off.
ये देखिए
Take your luggage, don't forget, huh?
तो ये हमारा हिल्टन होटल है और हम इसमें आ गए हैं ये छोटा सा साइन नजर आ रहा है अब हम उतर रहे हैं और ये हमारा होटल है ये
Hasn't even opened that side yet.
तो सब अपनी लगेज उतार रहे हैं सब नाफिया मेरा लगेज उतार भी रही है उस बेचारी को दो काम करने पड़ते हैं नाफी गिव मी माइन चले अब अंदर चलते हैं ठीक है आपको थोड़ा सा अपना होटल दिखा दे जिसमें अभी हमने चेक इन किया है ब्यूटीफुल है हिल्टन होटल है सारी लड़कियां वहाँ खड़ी हैं हाथ हिला रही हैं चेक इन कर रही हैं यस एंड जमाल हमारा गाइड है उधर जो हमारी ग्रुप की दो जिन्होंने ग्रुप ये ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया है लव एक्सक्लूसिव वो है और ये प्यारा सा होटल है अच्छा है नाइस है अगर आपने इस्तांबुल आना हो तो ये हिल्टन होटल आप बुक कर सकते हैं ये देखिए और ये हमारा पूरा ग्रुप आ रहा है अपने सामान को कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं सिक्योरिटी से अंदर आ रहे हैं आपको थोड़ा से नज़दीक करके भी दिखा दूँ नाफिया बेचारी बॉक्सेस लेके आ रही है तो आज मेरे साथ बहुत हेल्प है वो लेके आ रही है ये बिल जी आ जाओ I go to suitcase yeah I go to little ये जमाल है हमारा गाइड है आ जाओ come on नाफिया wait you should take that one as well isn't it bring that one the printed one I go to small one ये देखो ये दोनों कैसे मिल रहे हैं जैसे बिछड़े हुए दोस्त नाफिया और अनीसा ये अनीसा वो लड़की है जो ये ग्रुप ऑर्गेनाइज करती है तो ये दोनों मिल रहे हैं तो मैं अभी अपना लगेज उठा के लेके जा रही हूँ ये दो बक्स इधर और भी पड़े हुए हैं Yeah, I'm here, Nafia.
Take your minutes better because one bell was midnight.
So what time is breakfast?
6:30.
6:30.
M1.
M1. Okay. 6:30 is breakfast, so we can have breakfast in a hot shower, get ready our clothes, and then breakfast and go to bed.
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
I'm just really hungry
You like
right
it?
now.
I'm so hungry. प्लेन का फूड हमें अच्छा नहीं लगा तो हम काफ़ी हंग्री हैं ग्रुप सारा वेट कर रहा है ये I'm thirsty too so हम सब वेट कर रहे हैं और अब अपने रूमों में जा रहे हैं and we are going to our room now
Touch the card reader. Give me the card
oh
reader.
yeah card reader yeah go and take the card reader I always forget yeah touch the card are you guys hungry? Yeah we okay. You hungry? I'm hungry. I'm proper hungry. Yeah. हमें तो होटल बहुत अच्छा लग गया माशाल्लाह, बहुत ही नाइस है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत है। हिल्टन वैसे भी हमेशा खूबसूरत होते हैं पर ये कुछ ज़्यादा है। ये हमारे बेड्स हैं और ना कि बड़ी खुश हो गई है कि हमारे रूम बहुत नाइस है। ये देखें प्यारे प्यारे रूम है, 2 बेड हैं और सामान इतना हम लेके आए हैं जैसे हम 2 महीने के लिए आए हैं। तो बाथरूम भी आपको दिखाई दूँ, क्या याद करोगे। ये देखिए बहुत ही प्यारा सा बाथरूम है। ये मैं हूँ, ये मेरा शीशा है ये शावर रूम है, सारा कुछ है। चले और अब हम गरम गरम शावर लेते हैं और हम रूम सर्विस में कुछ ऑर्डर कर देते हैं। वी कैन ऑर्डर समथिंग।
Just want a drink.
Yeah, we can order some drink. Okay.